right, we're going to cover NuMeshalign Plus features for distributing objects that I'm working on right now. This is work in progress. So let's look at distribute objects between. That lets you pick a start object like so. You pick an end object like so. And you can select some objects and hit distribute between. It will distribute along the between those objects. If I uncheck this start offset, it will not offset from the start, and if I uncheck this end offset, it will not offset from the end. So if I check both of those again, you can see it'll offset from the start point and offset from the end point. So that's distribute between objects, and one thing to note is if you kind of swap things around like so, it orders the objects by how far away they are from the starting point in the direction of the endpoint. So if I swap these two items around and distribute again, you'll see that they're ordered correctly. So again, it uses the distance from the start object in the direction of the ending object to do the object ordering. So that's how that works. Now let's look at distribute along a line. So that's this other operator here. So I can go here. I'm going to pick this as a start point. So it works like other Meshalign plus geometry editing. So you expand here, and I can grab global coordinates for the start. I can grab global coordinates for the end. So we're defining a line there in kind of a different way. But it works the same way. You hit distribute along line, and now these are distributed along that line. So another interesting point is, again, this works the same way where you can uncheck offset from the start and uncheck offset from the end, and it will directly hug the start and end points. So if you want those offsets, just check that, and you can distribute again. And what I was just about to say there is one last thing to note, is that because this distribute between objects, this first one that we looked at, because it uses object names, you can kind of select some things to distribute. You can adjust this object to any location, and these will kind of track. So that's what I'm working on right now. I'll post a zip file of this in progress add-on on the forums, on the forum thread, so enjoy.